Shopping for a front-load washer in 2026? Be careful, many modern machines are packed with fancy features but aren't built to last. Some develop expensive problems in just a few years, while a handful of models are still engineered for reliability and can easily keep running for 15 years or more with proper care. In this video, I'll reveal the only 5 front-load washers that truly stand out for long-term durability, performance, repairability, and overall value. These aren't just the most popular models, they're the ones with proven track records, strong owner satisfaction, and reputations for lasting well beyond the average lifespan. Stay until the end because my number 1 pick is the washer I'd confidently recommend to family and friends. Let's get started. Number 5. ELFW655 The ELFW655 represents the perfect balance of modern technology, powerful cleaning performance, and long-term reliability, making it one of the most impressive front-load washers available today. It combines high efficiency with advanced features while maintaining one of the strongest reliability records in the industry. One of the key reasons behind its durability is LG's direct drive motor, which removes the need for a traditional belt system found in many conventional washing machines. By reducing the number of moving parts, the design helps minimize wear and tear over time, while also delivering quieter and more efficient operation. The washer also includes LG's Turbo Wash technology, which speeds up wash cycles without compromising cleaning performance, allowing busy households to complete laundry faster while still achieving excellent results. Its built-in AI sensors add another level of convenience by automatically detecting fabric types, load sizes, and soil levels to adjust water usage and washing motions for better care and efficiency. Despite offering advanced smart features and modern technology, the WM6700 continues to maintain an impressive reputation for reliability, with many appliance professionals ranking LG among the brands that require fewer service calls compared to many competitors. Its major advantages include excellent reliability, large capacity for family-sized loads, fast wash cycles, and extremely quiet operation. Although it comes with a premium price and some users may not find the app-based features necessary, the LG WM6700 remains an excellent choice for larger households that want modern convenience, powerful performance, and a washer designed for years of dependable use. Number 4. GFW655 Series. The GFW655 stands out as one of the most thoughtfully engineered front-load washers on the market today, directly tackling the mold and mildew problems that have long plagued this washer style, where moisture trapped inside the door gasket creates stubborn odors over time. GE's ultra-fresh vent system solves this by automatically circulating fresh air through the drum after each cycle, instead of sealing moisture inside, while antimicrobial treated components reduce odor-causing bacteria growth, keeping the interior noticeably cleaner and fresher between loads. Beyond odor control, the GFW655 delivers excellent cleaning performance, tackling everyday laundry loads with ease while still treating delicate fabrics gently, making it versatile enough for households with varied laundry needs. Improved suspension and vibration control also make the machine surprisingly quiet during operation, a welcome feature for homes where the laundry room sits near living or sleeping areas. Its large capacity means fewer loads are needed for bigger families, adding to its overall convenience. On the downside, GE washers, including this model, tend to show slightly higher repair rates compared to competitors like LG, and replacement parts can run more expensive when service is needed. Even so, these drawbacks are minor compared to the washer's strengths. For families prioritizing low maintenance, reduced odor issues, and reliable cleaning power, the GE GFW655 remains one of the strongest choices in its class, combining smart engineering with everyday practicality overall. Number 3. Electrolux ELFW7637. Although Electrolux may not receive as much attention as brands like LG or Samsung, it has earned a strong reputation among laundry professionals and appliance experts for delivering some of the best cleaning performance in the front-load washer category. One of its biggest strengths is exceptional stain removal, making it an excellent choice for households that regularly deal with tough messes such as grass, wine, grease, coffee, mud, or heavily soiled children's clothing. Instead of requiring multiple wash cycles or extra stain treatments, the washer is designed to tackle stubborn stains effectively in a single wash. A key reason for this performance is Electrolux's Smart Boost technology, which pre-mixes detergent with water before it enters the drum. This allows the detergent to dissolve completely and spread more evenly throughout the load, resulting in better cleaning efficiency while helping protect fabrics from concentrated detergent residue. Owners also appreciate how gently the machine treats clothing, using carefully controlled drum movements that minimize wear and tear over thousands of wash cycles, helping garments maintain their appearance and last longer. In addition to its excellent cleaning ability, the washer is highly water efficient and operates very quietly, making it suitable for apartments and family homes alike. While Electrolux does have a smaller service network in some regions and generally comes with a higher price tag than many competitors, its outstanding cleaning performance, excellent fabric care, quiet operation, and efficient design make it a compelling choice for anyone who values spotless laundry while extending the life of their clothes. Number 2. Queen FF7. When people talk about washing machines that are built to last 20 years or more, one brand name consistently comes up: Queen. Originally recognized for manufacturing heavy-duty commercial laundry equipment used in laundromats, Queen brings many of the same durability-focused engineering principles into its residential washers. Unlike many modern brands that compete by adding more smart features and advanced technology, Queen focuses primarily on long-term reliability, simple operation, and rugged construction. The Queen FF7 is a perfect example of this approach, featuring commercial-grade components, a highly durable suspension system, and one of the strongest warranties available in the residential laundry market. Its controls are simple and user-friendly, avoiding unnecessary features or complicated settings that can create potential failure points over time. Instead, it delivers dependable washing performance year after year with a focus on durability rather than flashy technology. While some competitors may offer larger touchscreens, smartphone connectivity, and more automated features, Queen stands apart by concentrating on the factors that matter most for long-term ownership: strength, repairability, and consistent performance. The FF7 offers exceptional durability, commercial-inspired construction, a strong warranty, and excellent access to repairs when needed. However, this premium build quality comes with a higher price, fewer smart features, and cleaning performance that is very good but not always the absolute leader in its category. For buyers whose top priority is owning a washer that can withstand years of heavy use, Queen remains one of the most difficult options to beat. Number 1. LGWM4000HWA. If we had to recommend just one front-load washer for the majority of buyers in 2026, the LGWM4000HWA would be one of the strongest choices available because it delivers an exceptional balance of price, reliability, cleaning performance, energy efficiency, and long-term ownership value. This model uses LG's proven direct drive motor, a technology that has helped establish the brand's reputation for producing dependable and durable front-load washers. By reducing the number of mechanical components compared to traditional designs, the motor provides smooth, quiet operation while helping minimize potential wear over the years of use. The WM4000HWA also delivers impressive cleaning results, consistently ranking among the top performers in independent evaluations. Whether you are washing heavily stained work clothes, delicate fabrics, large bedding, thick towels, or everyday laundry loads, this washer provides powerful yet gentle performance. Its built-in steam cycles add extra convenience by helping reduce allergens, refresh fabrics, and minimize wrinkles while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. Another major advantage of this model is its strong repair support and parts availability. Because the WM4000 HWA has become one of LG's most popular front-load washers, replacement parts and service knowledge are generally easier to find compared with many competing models. Its biggest strengths include outstanding reliability, excellent cleaning ability, quiet operation, strong overall value, and dependable long-term performance. While the door gasket still requires regular cleaning to prevent moisture buildup, and the control panel may take some time to become familiar with, the LG WM4000 HWA remains an excellent investment for homeowners seeking a reliable washer built to perform for many years. For most homeowners, choosing the right front-load washer in 2026 comes down to reliability, cleaning performance, and long-term value, rather than flashy features. Even the best washing machine requires proper care to reach its full lifespan, so simple maintenance habits can make a major difference. Always use high-efficiency detergent, avoid overloading the drum, leave the door slightly open after use, clean the drain filter regularly, run the tub clean cycle monthly, and inspect water hoses for signs of wear. These small steps can help prevent costly repairs and keep your washer running efficiently for 15 years or more. A smart purchase combined with proper maintenance ensures better performance, lower ownership costs, and a dependable appliance that serves your home for many years.